Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw ruined Bubba Bubbaphant. So first let's get started with the nose. So on the left hand side we're going to draw in a curved diagonal line, bringing that up and then over. To the left of this we're going to curve this line down and then out. To the right of this we're going to curve this line back out and then over, ending that so it's also on a diagonal. On the bottom now we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. In the center, we're going to curve this line up. And then from here, we're just going to arch this line over. On the side, we're going to draw two horizontal lines. And then on the top, one vertical. Let's draw the eye on the left-hand side now. So we're going to draw in a nice big circle from the corner. And then on the corner of that eye, we're going to draw in another circle for the highlight. Behind that for the eye socket, we're going to draw in another half circle, curving that around and then down. Leaving a small gap, we're going to replicate this over on the right. Now on the inside, we're going to curve this line up and over. Let's draw in the mouth now. So on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line up and then down. We'll do the same thing on the left, curving that out and then in. On the left-hand side now, we're going to continue to curve this line around and then in towards the nose. And then to the right of this, we're going to curve this line around and then underneath. Let's draw in some of the fluff that's coming out. So we're going to curve this line around, in, back out, up, and then again, we're going to curve this line around and then in. For the cheek now, on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then up. Moving across, lining that up at the same height, we're going to curve this line around, down. And now from here, we're going to continue to extend this line all the way over and across on the left. On the right-hand side now, we're going to draw a straight line across. We'll draw a diagonal line up on the right. We're going to draw two vertical lines on the bottom and then one on the top. Now from here on the left-hand side, we're going to bring this line up and then in, and then we'll do the same thing over on the right. Let's draw on the right ear now. So on the corner here, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And now from that point, we're just going to curve this line back around and then up. On the inside, let's replicate that, curving that line around and in. And then from that corner, we're just going to curve that line back around and then in. Let's draw in the left ear now. So we're going to curve this line up. We're going to draw in a letter V, another letter V, and then again, just making this slightly smaller. Now from here, we're going to continue to curve this line in, and then we're going to arch that out and in towards the side. On the top, we're going to curve this line up. We're going to bring this line over from the inside, curving that in. And then again, we're going to arch that line around and then in towards the side. Let's draw in the feet now. So coming over on the right-hand side, down from our ear, we're going to draw in a nice big oval. Lining this up at the same height on the left-hand side. Let's replicate that. On the top, let's curve this line around and then down on both sides, ending that so it's at the same height. On the inside now for the stuffing, we're going to curve this line around, in. On the top, arching that up, back down, and then again on the side. And then on the bottom, we're just going to curve this line in, and then we'll do the same thing on the right. Now for the ankle, we're going to curve that line from top to bottom, and then we'll do the same as we move in towards the left-hand side. For the bottom of the body now, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. For the torso now, on the left-hand side, let's arch this line in. We'll do the same thing on the right. Moving further out, we're going to curve this line down, and then we'll do the same thing on the left-hand side. In the center now for the light bulb, we're gonna draw in a nice big half circle, curving that line around and then in, leaving a small gap in the center. Let's draw a straight line that comes down on both sides. And then we'll draw in another curved line from left to right. And then moving up towards the top, let's replicate that. In the center, we're gonna do that 2 more times. Now on both sides again, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes up towards the top. And then we're gonna curve this line around and then in. And then we'll do the same thing over on the right. In the middle, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down on both sides. And then stepping further out, let's replicate that. Now on the left-hand side, we're gonna draw in a curved straight line across. We're gonna bring this line up towards the chin. Let's draw in 2 horizontal lines and then 2 vertical lines. And that is it. That's how you draw Ruined Bubba Bubbaphant. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.